Ecosystem diversity. Many ecosystems are present in each region. Ecosystem is formed by the interaction between plants, animals, their habitats, and changes in the environment. Each ecosystem has its own characteristic animals, plants, microbes, and abiotic factors. Ecosystems are also of two types, natural and artificial. There should be a positive attitude of human being towards the environment for the welfare of entire living world. For this purpose, following rules are important. You can be a conservator, organizer, guide, plant friend, etc. Describe about your role you wish to perform and your plans for that role. Sacred groves. The forest conserved in the name of God and considered to be sacred is called a sacred grove. These are in fact sanctuaries conserved by the society and not by the government forest department. As it has been conserved in the name of the god, it has special protection. The clusters of thick forest are present not only in Western Ghats of India but in the entire country. More than 13,000 sacred groves have been reported in India. Some symbols are given below. Find the meaning of this symbol. Keep your city clean. Use environment friendly energy sources. Use bicycles and avoid the vehicles using fossil fuels. And conserve water. These are the meanings of these symbols. How can biodiversity be conserved? It can be conserved by protecting rare species of organisms. Then by establishing national parks and sanctuaries, declaring some regions as bioreserves, then project for conservation of special species, conserving all plants and animals, observing the rules, and maintaining record of traditional knowledge. Till now we have studied the rules and regulation about environmental conservation and protection. In this lesson, many people in the society are voluntarily coming together to perform this noble work. Many institutes at state, national and international level are involved in this work, and they are Bombay Natural History Society, CPR Environmental Group New Chennai, Gandhi Peace Foundation Environment Cell, Delhi, Chipko Center at Tehri Garhwal, Center for Environment Education Ahmedabad, Kerala Science Literature Council at Trivandrum, Indian Agro Industry Foundation Pune, Vikram Sarabhai Community Science Center Ahmedabad. And there are also some international organizations. IUCN is International Union for Conservation of Nature, Gland VD Switzerland. Then Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change IPCC at Geneva, United Nations Environment Program at Geneva, World Wildlife Fund at New York, BirdLife International at Cambridge, and Green Climate Fund at Songdo, South Korea. Greenpeace is the world's largest organization engaged in environmental activities. Attempts at various levels are performed for conserving environment. Role of the person is defined as per these levels. Some roles are given below. Which role would you like to perform and why? First role is conservation. That means conserving the available resources. Second role is control. that is preventing the harm, stopping harmful activities and changing the mindset. Then we have production, in that revival of harmed factors of environment, attempting innovation. Then awareness, in this education, guidance, awareness, imitation, organization and participation. In prevention, we have preventing possible harms, designing new plans and factors harmful to environment. In preservation, preserving whatever has been left over, remedies to prevent further loss and preserving unknown regions. Hotspots of the biodiversity. 34 highly sensitive biodiversity spots are reported all over the world. Such areas had once occupied 15.7% area of the earth. At present, 86% of the sensitive areas are already destroyed. Only 2.3% of area of the earth has been left over with sensitive spots. It includes 1,50,000 plant species, which are 50% of the world count. As far as India is concerned, out of 135 species of animals, 85 species are found in the jungles of eastern region. About 1,500 endemic plant species are found in Western Ghat. Out of the total plant species in the entire world, 50,000 are endemic. 3 endangered heritage places of the country. Western Ghat, which is spread over Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, has been endangered due to mining industry and search for natural gas. Habitats of Asiatic lion and wild bison of this region have been under threat. Manas sanctuary of the Assam is under threat due to dams and indiscriminate use of water. Their tiger and rhino are under threat. Sundarban sanctuary of West Bengal is reserved for tigers. However, the tiger population and overall local environment is seriously challenged by the dams, deforestation, excessive fishing, trenches dug for same, etc. Classification of threatened species. First is endangered species. Either number of these organisms is declined or their habitat is shrunk so that they can be extinct in near future. Examples are lion-tailed monkey and lesser florican. Rare species are those whose number is considerably declined. Organisms of this species are endemic and may become extinct very fast. Examples are red panda and musk deer. Vulnerable species, number of the organism is extremely less and it continues to decline. Examples are tiger and lion. Indeterminate species are those which appear to be endangered due to some behavioral habits like shyness, and there is no definite and substantial information. Example is giant squirrel. So remember these examples. In case of endangered species, examples are lion-tailed monkey and lesser florican. Rare species are red panda, musk deer. Vulnerable are tiger, lion. Indeterminate are giant squirrel, shekru. Then 22nd May is observed as World Biodiversity Day. Then International Union for Conservation of Nature IUCN prepares a red list that contain names of endangered species from different countries. Here pink pages of the book contain names of endangered species, while green pages contain the names of previously endangered but presently safe species. Always remember, destroying a plant is to destroy everything. Then practice afforestation to conserve environment. Forest is wealth. Environmental protection is a value addition. Then provident use of the paper is prevention of deforestation. To practice the environmental protection is to develop human society. Then pure air and pure water are key to healthy life. World Wildlife Fund published a survey which says about 30% of animal species have become extinct over the period of last 35 years. What will happen in future if this continues?